In this video, I will show you how you can draw a line in Microsoft Word, both the horizontal and vertical lines. How can you draw a colored line and format that line into different options which are available within the Microsoft. So let's start the tutorial. So in order to draw the line, you need to go to the insert, and within the insert you need to click the shapes, and in the shapes you need to click this line, and then you can draw either horizontal, then you can draw a vertical line as well. But without a reference, when you will draw a line, it may not be exactly horizontal or vertical. So to verify that, you need to go to the view and select the grid lines. You can see that neither my horizontal line is accurate nor my vertical line. So I'm just going to delete both the lines. If you have to delete a line, select the line, just press the delete from your keyboard and the line will be deleted. Now to draw the line, you should have this grid line on, and then you can select the line again. And now once you will draw, you will have a reference of these grid lines, and you would be able to draw exactly the horizontal line. And similarly, you can draw the vertical lines also, like I am doing it right now. And then once you will be through with your line, you will have the options over here, with the help of which you can change the line color. Let me show you. I have changed the line color to red, and you can have the line with double arrow. You can change it to a dotted line, and then you can change the color also, solid line. So that's how you can play with the line settings here, and you can draw the line as per your own requirement. If you come over here, you will have the uh, typical settings, theme colors, which are available for the options. Also, you can change the line into any color, and then here you can have the weight of the line, which means that if you want the line to be thicker, you can change the number of points to make the line thicker, like in this way. Let me switch off the grid lines now, so that the lines are more visible. So now you can see that with the help of this, you can change the weight of the line, you can change the shape of the line into a dotted line or dashed line, and you can also have the arrows on either side of the line. Remember that if you have done a click somewhere else, the line settings will go off. You need to click the line again, and then over here you will have the format. Let me show you. If I click somewhere else, this format tab is gone. Now if I select this again, format tab is available. You need to click this, and then within that you will have all the settings of the line. Over here you can give the different shapes to the line. You can just play with these settings, and you can have uh, whatever the kind of a line you want. Now another interesting thing which I want you to know. Now I will show you how you can draw a line on an exact degrees, meaning by, if you want to draw a line on 45 degrees as per your protector, you can do that. So to do that, again I would recommend to switch on the grid lines, go to the insert tab, go to the shapes, click the line, and draw a line which is vertical. Change the color as per your own desires. I will just increase its weight so that it is visible to you. Now I will switch off the grid lines, and once with your line selected, go to the format tab, and then go to the extreme right hand side and click size. With this you will have this new window, layout window, open, and within the size tab, the third part of this tab is rotation. Now if I rotate this to 20 degrees, you will see that my line has uh, turned clockwise by 20 degrees. So in this way, you can exactly uh, change the direction of your line and draw shapes for whatever the project you are doing it on the Microsoft Word. You can do that. Let me show you once again. Now I will change it to 70 degrees and the line has turned further right on 70 degrees. So that's how you can precisely give a rotation to your line also. Now I have a text on my Word document and I want to draw a line between the first and second paragraph. So I have uh, done one enter here and then I have selected a line and again I would select the grids and go again and select the line and draw the line from grid reference till the left side of the paper to the right hand side. Now you can switch off the grid line and now this line is available here. Go to the format, change its color, increase the width and make it a dashed line. Now here there is an option once you will click this layout that whether you want this line to move with the text or it should maintain its absolute position. So by default it is selected move object with text. Let's see what happens. Let me copy this sentence and paste it in the first paragraph. Now you have seen that the line has moved down to give a space for one more sentence on the first paragraph. So if you want your line to move with the text, you need to select this option. In the last part of a tutorial, if you want to make a column, you want to write few lines here and then you want to do a comparison with something on the right hand side of the paper and you want to draw a line here. In this case, if I draw a line over here and then change the format again and then I write something over here and then I need to do a tab and then write over here. For example, if I take one sentence complete and I do a copy and then I do paste it over here, then you will see that this R line has not affected this text. For that you need to draw a table. Just draw a table and then select the table, go to the borders and select no border and then you need to select the just vertical line like this. Now this line is visible. You would be able to do a comparison. Say if I write sentence number 1 over here and then I take sentence number 2 or write something in front of that, you see that the sentence is staying towards the right side of this vertical line. So this is how you can do a comparison between two things while drawing a vertical line. Since we have made the table invisible except its vertical line, so while you will take a printout, it will show you as a vertical line. Let me show you the print preview. Now you see that your horizontal line is also visible and your vertical line is also visible over here. So that's how you can draw a line in Microsoft Word If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.